Hello, do you think you can hit snooze and go back to sleep? Not with this alarm clock. When the alarm goes off, it doesn't stay on the table. It jumps, rolls across the room, and keeps making noise until you get up and turn it off. Now I would like to show you how to use it. Okay, this is the alarm button. When you click this one, you can activate the alarm. This is the wheel on and wheel off button. If you click like that, wheels on, and it's moving around. If you turn off this one, it's not moving around. This is hour button, this is minute button, this is alarm button, and this is time button. So if you want to set the time, click the time. Okay, and after, if you change the hour, click the hours. If you want to change minutes, click the minutes. That's all. For example, we make 6:53 p.m. and also if you want to change the time 2012 or 20 hours, just click this one. Look, now it's 18:53. So now I am going to show you how to set up the alarm. Okay, if you want to set the alarm, just click the A button. Okay, then let's change 28. You know that, let's make it easy. Against it pass. Okay, now let's look our time. Okay, now I stop the alarm when it's 18:55. We work and round around. Okay. Did you see? It's so funny. Until you snooze and turn off the wheels and the alarm is moving around the house. As you can see, the alarm is so loud, it's hard to ignore. If you are a heavy sleeper like me, this is definitely gets your attention. Instead of the reaching over the pressing snooze, you actually have to get out of your bed and find the clock. I think it's a fun idea. It's different from the normal alarm clock. It always makes the people laugh when they see it. It's a battery powered. It needs 4 AAA battery. It's easy to set up. I show you how to do. It's great for bedroom, college dorm, or even funny gift. If you have a trouble waking up in the morning, this might be exactly what you need. I don't think you will be sleeping through with this one. Thank you for watching.